This brush pen is the Fudebiyori, and it is made by Kuretake ZIG, the same as the Brushables brush pens. And these are beautiful brush pens. So just to show you a comparison, the barrel of the pen is fairly short. If we look at them compared to Brushables, you can see how much smaller they are, so maybe a little bit more portable. And the tip size, or the tip shape, is pretty triangular, and it's a pretty small nib for the size of strokes that it can make. So let's start going through some of these characteristics. They are felt tip brush pens without any bristles. So the size, they're not quite large. I would call them medium large. So if we have extra fine to extra large, they're somewhere in the middle, medium. They're also a medium flexibility. These pens are water-based, and they have 48 colors. So I don't have the full set, but I will show you some of these colors here. And then I will also show you the metallic ones, because the metallic ones are great. They're actually pigment ink, so the metallic ones are not water-based, but they show up really well on black paper. So let me show you some of these colors. So this is just a selection of some of the colors that you can get, and they show up really nicely on the page. So here, just to show you some examples of some strokes that you can make with these pens. So obviously this is the purple one. The color is nice and bold. This one is called, I think it's called cobalt, or blue-gray. So you can see we can get a pretty thick line, but it's not quite as thick as the other large tip brush pens, which is why I call this medium large, because it's definitely not a small tip brush pen, but it's also not quite as big as some of the other ones. So they just write really smoothly and have some really great colors. Here are just a few of the other colors, but again, they do have 48 options for you. So to show you quickly the metallics, they have, I believe there's 8 metallics. This one is gold, and they actually show up a lot better on black ink, but they're really juicy, especially these metallic ones. It's almost like paint. So there's the green one. I know they have a purple one and a few different other colors, silver. They're not going to show up as well on white paper, the metallic portion of it, like the shimmeriness, but on black paper they really shine and pop. So that is the ZIG Kuretake Fudebiyori.